in today's video, we'll talk about enterprise applications in Azure Active Directory. So first of all, let's talk about what is an Azure Enterprise application. Then we'll see the practical of it. So in Azure Active Directory, enterprise applications are the apps that your organization connects to Azure Active Directory for authentication, access, and management. Now let me explain it through an example. Suppose your company uses softwares like Salesforce, ServiceNow, or Zoom. Now your company want a authentication way or a gateway so that some particular people can log into the software and access their organization data. So for that, Azure Entra ID is used. You can think of Azure Enterprise application as a library of apps that have different kind of apps, and all that app that your company uses, and your company integrated all the apps that they use, and Azure Active Directory is a gatekeeper that controls who can sign in and what can they do inside those apps. So I hope you understand what is Azure Enterprise application. Now let's talk about what kind of apps can be enterprise app. Microsoft apps like Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, or Dynamics 365. All the third-party apps can be used as enterprise app like Salesforce, ServiceNow, Zoom, Dropbox, Workday. And the last one is your company's custom apps. That's the theory part. Now let's go and see the practical of it. Now let's see how you can create enterprise application. In the manage section, you can view enterprise application. Click on it. So if you have any application already created, you can view them from here. Now if you want to create a new enterprise application, then click on new application. Now from here you can search the applications. Also you can add your on-premises application here. And if you have any other application that your company created and you want to add it, then you can add that by clicking on create your own application. So if you want to add any application, then click on it. Now after that you can click on create to create that application in your enterprise application. But to integrate the application with your Azure Active Directory, you have to follow all these steps that is provided for you. Now for all the application that is available here, the integration method will be different. For Workday, there is a different integration method. For Microsoft Cloud App Security, there is a different method of integration. All the apps available here have a different method for integration. So there is no single method that you can use to integrate all these apps to your application. So they provide this step-by-step tutorial so that you can add them to your enterprise application. I will click on create, and our application is successfully added to our Azure Active Directory. And there is a lot of options available here like assign users and groups, set up single sign-on, provision your account, conditional access, and self-service that we can set up for this application. Whatever settings you will create here, that will be only applicable for this application. I hope you understand it clearly. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you learn something new throughout this video, then make sure to like this video.